Your august presence, this milestone becomes even more memorable, even more special. We're witnessing the live feed of the Honorable Minister, Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, joining us. In a few minutes, of course, they'll be joining us on stage. But before that, we have a segment where he has a walkthrough of the plan for the plant itself. We're going to be witnessing those very visuals here on stage. For all of our guests who are in the event space, if we may kindly request you to switch your phones to silent mode as we begin. This is an event of great significance, of many special moments waiting to unfold here. If we may kindly request your complete attention and participation, and of course the first step to that would be to switch your phones to silent mode. Of course, visuals coming in of not just deep love but also reverence for the Honorable Minister. In fact, someone who we all know as a champion of innovation, someone whose leadership has driven the state in terms of our global ambition, in terms of becoming one of the most dynamic states in the country. And yet another step of that journey, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the groundbreaking ceremony here at Carrier. Shortly, we begin our on-stage proceedings. But before we officially do that, we have an interesting walkthrough that the Honorable Minister will be taking. We have our global leadership team welcoming the Honorable Minister to this wonderful, momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, when we hear Carrier, of course, in India, it is a long-standing association. And today, that very association goes a little further with yet another wonderful feather in our cap. For over 4 decades in the heart of India, Carrier, of course, has not only made a name for itself as one of the most prominent cooling infrastructure, but also have made that niche governance from the government of Andhra Pradesh. Shri Nara Lokesh Garu was doing a walkthrough with our global leadership team featuring. We've witnessed the chiller plant intro, and now we're seeing the journey of Carrier through the years. For all of our guests who are just walking in, a very special welcome. Good morning. Andariki namaskaram. Carrier company tarapuna meerandaru ikkadiki vichesinanduku dhanyavadamulu. Thank you so much for taking the time joining us here as we mark a wonderful milestone in the journey of Carrier. A journey that began in 1986 here in India, ladies and gentlemen, still standing strong 40 years from now. In fact, even stronger, marking those wonderful milestones, presenting to you high efficiency products, presenting to you long-term performance, but of course, driven by passion and precision. We've also got a touch screen as part of the photo gallery, ladies and gentlemen. We hope that you get a chance to explore that. It features all of our products, a lot of the technology that has gone into it, and of course, highlighting those very aspects that makes us one of the most trusted names across the world. Carrier's journey in India, of course, has been a very, very special one. One that I think began with the very first air conditioning plants, and from there to now, where we're redefining the modern cooling technology landscape as it stands. And of course, the wonderful reason for that is the support that we get from our industry peers, industry leaders, members of the media, our customers, and of course, wonderful champions of innovation like our chief guest, the Honorable Minister. I think we can all acknowledge that there's a certain sense of excitement in the air. And of course, that leads to our ceremony that's going to be unfolding on our screen next, which is the groundbreaking ceremony. Not just does it mark the beginning of today's event, ladies and gentlemen, it also signifies a wonderful start to a long journey ahead. One that's filled with milestones, one that's filled with incredible technology, engineering excellence, one that drives forward the legacy of Carrier. Every installation, every picture that we've witnessed so far, also, when you explore it, you will realize that it showcases a story of precision, of trust that we've built through the years, and long-term performance. And that reflects in the products that we present to you. The evolution, ladies and gentlemen, of Carrier chiller plants itself is one that's been of great importance to the landscape of the industry here in India. Decades of innovation, decades of performance and adaptation coming to life. And today we stand at an interesting juncture where we acknowledge our journey so far and also present to you the first step into the next phase of our journey. On screen, of course, we've got our chief guest, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister, in conversation with our global leadership team. And that highlights, of course, the one part of collaboration that truly stands close to the heart of Carrier. We truly believe that when it comes to innovation, it is synergy that propels us forward. And on screen, we're witnessing exactly that. Our commitment towards excellence has been deep, but also our commitment towards collaboration and synergy is just as important in our journey. And a wonderful depiction of that very fact, ladies and gentlemen, is what we have coming up on stage. A shared vision being highlighted in a few minutes. The world of cooling systems, ladies and gentlemen, in India was set in motion almost in 1986, 40 years back, when Carrier decided to begin that very journey here. And of course, it has almost been driven every step of the way with deep passion and love, not just for the brand, but also the technology. And of course, on screen, we've got the visuals of exactly that, the shared passion towards building a lovely future. The next step, or rather the first step of which we're here to celebrate, the groundbreaking ceremony, ladies and gentlemen. This is happening in the hall adjacent to us, so please do feel free to put your hands together and celebrate as we mark a milestone moment here in the journey of Carrier India. Well, with that official groundbreaking moment, ladies and gentlemen, we